We are going to learn subtraction of next. We are going to learn subtraction of algebraic expression. The subtraction of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is subtract khande chego yame odi jangai nang so. Okay, next subtraction of algebraic expression. Tata, before we learn like this, x plus 7 minus 2x minus 4. Now we are going to solve this. So we nganzo khache ode bracket ti open chaw. Nge la nganzo khandes changala na sin dimbala jangyor dadi. X plus 7 as it is bracket open, negative 2 multiply here, it will become negative 2x, and negative will become positive 4. Tata like term is collect share. So these two are like terms and these two are like terms, right? So we will solve this. So x negative 2x plus 7 plus 4, right? The x minus 2x, your answer is negative x, and 7 plus 4, your answer is 11. So negative x plus 11 is your answer. This in the hustle jangyore, this is the dumbala jangran. So we have learned this in class 7. Now that's in the kewala khar jangarta. Sinda kewala khante jangayame. Okay, now I'll again take an NCERT example of your textbook. Subtract five x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. For example, if I say like subtract 7 from 10. Now, what does it mean? It means that you are going to subtract the 7 from 10. Khala hola na? Subtract ler, theler, khar theler, doing theler, khane theler, from khane lana, chune theler. So you will write it like second term will become first and first term will become second. So 10 from means minus 7. So 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. You are going to solve it like that. Endo solve share. Similarly, subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from this. So your second expression will become first and your first expression will become second. Now you're going to solve this. So your second expression will become first. You will write 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Go to say second expression as it is, and you can write second expression as a first. Now you will write a second expression. Now see where 5x squared is. like term nyam the share. So you will keep it like this. 5x square. Where is y square? It's here. Minus 4y square. Where is 6y? Plus 6y. And is there any number? No. Then you can write negative 3 here. What does it say? That did the end the subtract this from this. Second expression, the first expression chair, the first expression, the second chair. That the like term wala diksana now we are going to sign change. Second expression, in case of what you will do here, you are going to change the sign in the second expression. That the second chara, the according to the definition, the first expression chara, the second chara, the second expression gachi sign change here. Now we are going to check. We are going to change the sign of the second expression. If this is negative 3, we will make it positive 3. If this is positive 6, we are going to change it into negative. If this is negative, we are going to change this into positive. And if this is positive, we are going to change this into negative. Only for the second expression. Second expression chikbula sign change here does. First expression the as it is way. Second expression la sign dizo kua dure. Now we are going to solve this. Now your product is, see, it's negative 3 and sign will change. It will become positive 3. Positive 3. Now it's negative. Before it's positive 6y. And according to the law, we change the sign of the second operation, right? Second expression. So it will become negative 6y. So negative 6y and negative 3y. It's a 9y, but the sign is negative 9y. Why? Because 6 is the greater number and in front of 6 we change 6 into negative number. So negative 6y and negative 3y. It will become negative 9y. Now, 5x rida. In second expression, there is no x, right? So 5x as it is. But it is a positive 5x. Why? Because there is no sign change in second expression. There is no x term in second expression. That's why 5x as it is. And 4y square. Negative 4y square dikhara positive nan convert chelara. So sign change, it will become 8 plus 4, 12. So plus 12y square. 12y square. And negative 4xy di rangja shuyache. Negative 4xy we copy as it is. It's a first expression. And here it's negative 5x squared. So positive 7x square, negative 5x square. It will become a positive 2x square. Goes to say, this is how you will solve. Tata subtraction this addition lata shargya tomere. Hine subtraction lakha chillana. Second expression, the first expression will become second. And you are arranging this in these different expression in a row according to the like terms. According to the like terms, so arrange chesana khacherang so any second expression digaji sign ditare sign change here. Pinchashana negative in a positive share, positive in a the negative la convert share, negative in a positive convert share, positive in a negative la convert share. Goes to say this is how we are going to subtract the algebraic expression.